Okay, so welcome to another episode of ProviderSMART. Today we have Hypercore and Eve Hoffman. How you doing today, Eve?
I'm doing well, Tyler. Thanks so much for having me.
Great, great. So where are you calling in from today?
I am actually in the lovely area called Jasper, Georgia. It's about 35 minutes outside of north of Atlanta. We're up in the mountains, gorgeous today. We've got some pretty fall weather.
All right. So are you a Georgia Bulldogs, Atlanta Falcons? Which fan are you?
Well, I was originally raised in Tennessee, so I'm a University of Tennessee Vol girl. Yay!
Okay, good. So I'm from South Carolina, so I definitely like all teams in the SEC. So you get a pass with Tennessee.
Yay! Thank you, Tyler. Thank you.
All right. So how did you get in the channel, and what brought you to Hypercore?
That's a great question. So I actually started as a direct sales, and I was in direct sales, and I'm not going to age myself, while, and an opportunity presented itself at one of the master agents, and I was managing a team there, and then I found out about Hypercore. We worked with Hypercore. I loved everything about Hypercore when I was actually working with that master. What I liked especially was, they said, this is what we're going to do. Here's how we're doing it. And here's what happens. Because that's the way that I like to do business. If I tell you this is what I'm going to do, this is what I'm going to do. So an opportunity presented itself, and I reached out to Hypercore and asked if they were going to be having any growth. And as a matter of fact, they were. So I've been with them a little over a year now, and it's been a great experience.
Great. So what would you say your solution base is? What solutions do you guys have over there that our partners and agents should definitely know about?
Well, they definitely should know about. We actually do a couple different things. We're an aggregator. So we provide data solutions. We can do anything from direct data connect up to fixed wireless. And we have a lot of providers we work with. We also do security. We have voice core, so we can do VoIP solutions. We can do SIP, PRI. I mean, really anything you're looking for in VoIP, we can do, as well as SD-WAN.
Okay, so and just speaking candidly on behalf of our partners and agents, so we have several SD-WAN suppliers in our portfolio, right? So we have, your CloudGenix, your Cato, all of those guys. So what sense would it make for our partners and agents to go with Hypercore versus going directly to one of those players?
Totally get that, Tyler. And I get a lot of partners that actually ask us that, because we too partner with Cato, we partner with CloudGenix, we partner with VeloCloud and a few others. But what we do is we add a management piece. So our engineering team works in conjunction with the CloudGenix. Everybody still gets paid because that's very important to have this partnership. And we design, configure, and do the implementation with our engineering team. We actually test the actual, we can do the installation and everything like that. We do the ongoing support. So we're the person that you would reach out to. You wouldn't have to reach out to CloudGenix, because what we heard from a lot of our partners is sometimes, it's hard. You don't know, do I reach out to this person? Do I go here? Do I go here? We're kind of that one person. So we actually do all the updates when they do monthly. Sometimes they do quarterly. And then we do the maintenance and updates as needed. So we're the management piece. So you don't have to worry, oh, wait, how do I do this? What do I do here? I'm looking to do this. Our team gets involved in all of that.
Okay, so for instance, we're not going to say buzzwords, we'll say buzz terms, but what would a buzz term that our partners or agents can hear that'll help them start the conversation? So what does a Hypercore play look like?
So a Hypercore play, we're really good with multi-locations. So that's kind of our forte, is multi-location. We won't walk away from the tattoo shop in Texas, but multi-location is really our forte. Our project management team is actually one of the best. And I've heard that from so many of our partners that have shared that with me. So when you come to Hypercore, we manage everything. So we're the one person. Everything goes on Hypercore paperwork. However, we put it through, like, let's say you've got 20 locations, 5 of them are Comcast, 7 are Spectrum, some are RCN. We manage all of that. And our project management team, you have somebody that's dedicated to that order. And that person speaks to you if you want to do it weekly, bi-weekly, and we work through the process that way. So it's really the project management to help you not have to worry. I have some partners that come to me and say, I don't want to project manage. I don't have the staff. I don't have the resources. Can you help me? And we absolutely can.
All right, and we definitely appreciate support. And speaking as a past agent, being on that side of the house, I definitely would appreciate it when we would get the extra support. So with that being said, on the multi-sites, do you have any recent wins or highlights that you think our partners can benefit from hearing about?
Absolutely. Absolutely. We had a partner that came to us and said, we've got franchisees, so we can't tell them what to do, but we would like to be able to help them. Can you offer a solution that actually, if they come to us and they say, we're in Timbuktu, everybody pays the same. So we looked at the whole, and it's about 4,000 locations a whole. So we looked at it as a whole and looked at all the locations and came up with a solution for them where it's actually, we're providing one price for the entire organization. We've actually installed about 2,000 of the locations currently. We're providing their broadband, the 4G, and SD-WAN per store, and it's a flat rate regardless of wherever they are. So maybe somebody's going to have a DIA because of where they are, but somebody else may be able to getting broadband. They utilize us for the redundancy, the voice, the point of sale, and more efficiency. We've got more stores to grow, but it took off, in your head, you kind of think it's 4,000 locations. How many do you think we'll get? What do you think we'll do? So we were anticipating probably the first year around 500, and I think we were a little over 1,000 the first year, and it continues to grow. And we continue to work with them to see what other opportunities they have. They're looking for some other additional things.
All right, that sounds good. So just to kind of move from that into this, so what resources and tools do you have available for our partners and agents to be able to sell, your SD-WAN and these huge multi-site deals and case studies and everything that they would need to become rich and successful?
Well, I can help you with that. So I am very fortunate. I support all of CNSG. So it's me. And you can reach me, you can call me, you can email me, however you want to do. And I get involved and get the parties involved. So we have sales engineers. As I mentioned, our sales engineers work on the SD-WAN. So I kind of get all the players together when it's a larger opportunity. If not, I can do it on my own. So you have me. You also have your CNSG Smart. You can work with that. We have a lot of brochures, some case studies, some different things in there. But again, please just talk to me and I'll help you any way I can.
All right, great. Well, on behalf of CNSG, on behalf of our partners, our agents, and our executive team, we definitely appreciate your support, and we look forward to working with you guys more in the future. And we look forward to definitely closing some SD-WAN and multi-site deals with you.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Tyler. And thank you, everybody. We appreciate it.